To insert secondary brush in Roborock S8 Plus, first of all, you will need to get the secondary brush. It looks like this. You can then take a screw, which should be inserted into the brush itself. If not, the screw should be in the box that this device came with. Now you need to align it with this slot right here. There's a slot, octagonal slot for the brush itself, and then the circle slot for the screw. Now you need to align it. As I said, it should go in nicely, and make sure that it rotates. After that, you can take a screwdriver, again star one, and screw in that screw. So make sure that it's fully in. You can also just tighten it by holding the secondary brush itself, and that way we just inserted that secondary brush. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.